睇唔睇到松露犬喺度聞下聞下？
咁啊，我哋要揾地下黃金。
Smells like truffle.
泥都係香嘅。
So
黐線，呢個超級香啊！
好大嚿啊！呢嚿香啊。OK，呢一嚿我哋已經攞咗落袋啦。
揾完黑松露仲可以食黑松露大餐。呢個團220蚊，究竟值唔值得？有咩食有咩玩，行程係點嘅呢？呢嚿真係大個拳頭，我哋即刻出發。如果想知道更多澳洲生活、澳洲旅遊資訊，記得訂閱我，仲有撳埋個鐘仔。
我們今天去幹什麼 ？Hello， 大家好，我係同基。
睇到標題都知咧，我哋今日係去呢個 Truffle Hunt， 我哋就選擇咗去位於墨爾本嘅西北邊 Black Cat Truffle Hunt， 由市中心出發啦，開車大約個半鐘左右。
到咗啦，我哋。
Truffle Hunt 呢個活動呢，咁其實有分冬天同埋夏天，帶大家體驗下澳洲嘅冬季限定。衣着方面呢，最好帶對 boot 仔，戴埋頂冷帽。郊區呢會更加凍，佢環境簡約得嚟呢都幾舒服。我揀呢間呢，因為呢佢獲獎無數，喺 Victoria 呢係數一數二噶。唔想參加團嘅朋友都可以就咁過嚟食 lunch。一去到我哋每人會有杯 welcome drink， 就係熱嘅 apple cider。呢啲 apple cider 呢係嚟自於呢度附近嘅農場，大個拳頭啊！我第一次見新鮮嘅黑松露係大個拳頭啊！呢嚿起碼成1000蚊啊！飲完呢杯 cider 暖下胃，我哋就準備開始噶啦。我哋有請今日嘅主角。
今日就係你帶我哋啦，係咪啊？哇！呢兩隻都係truffle
我中意黑色呢隻啊，好得意啊！
係啊。
呢一隻狗仔咧叫做 Hugo， 係專業嘅松露犬，攞齊工具我哋行得。
my name's Liam. Welcome to Black Cat Truffle. So, thank you for joining us today.
原來澳洲係全球其中一個重要嘅黑松露產地。
In the first 4 rows there, we have Tuber aestivum, which is a summer truffle. We're one of only 2 farms in Victoria that has summer and winter truffles. And they basically grow all the way through winter. And then in December, we start harvesting. So, pretty unique. It's great because we can do truffle hunts in winter, truffle hunts in summer. A little bit different when I take you on a summer truffle hunt and people are in thongs and shorts and you're all sitting outside.
邊聽講解嘅時候咧，就已經係有個薯仔嘅 truffle
We
湯。
are in potato country. It's interesting because truffles are in the same family as potatoes. They are a tuber. So what I do, brain and nose used to some truffles. So there is some truffle shaved on top. Do you eat some here?
佢個薯仔黑松露忌廉湯咧係勁好飲啊！如果佢大杯啲啊仲好，係又滑又香濃。松露犬用佢個鼻仔索下個地下，幫我哋揾大大粒嘅黑松露。大家知唔知黑松露其實唔係植物，而係地下嘅一種珍貴真菌。
So this is actually, this tree has been pretty good to me in the past, and I've been waiting for it to provide a truffle.
How old is the tree?
Not very old. This is actually really unfortunate. I have a huge rabbit problem at the moment. And the rabbits have chewed the top off. But it's good because it means we get to cut, because I can still use that part. But what we can do is cut it off and we can see inside the truffle really nicely.
Wow!
So it smells quite good. I'm going to pass around the perfect truffle. This has been eaten by a rabbit. So this part I will save. I smoke them out. Ended up into a big puree, and at the end of September when the weather starts warming up, I come through and I rip through here with the tractor. This puree I pump, this was right on the line that I pumped the puree into. So
松露犬揾到黑松露之後咧，會獎勵下佢。知唔知咧？以前其實咧係用豬嚟揾黑松露㗎。
帶住我哋去揾 truffle 啊！
豬咧同樣都係好叻咧揾呢個松露嘅香味，但係佢哋會忍唔住食咗佢，所以咧大部分嘅農場咧都改用訓練犬，由松露犬提高效率啦，而且係可以控制。
又揾到啦，
stop. Good
佢
job.
哋又揾到啦嗰度
Just
兩個，
look them up when you get inside. Or
有啦有啦有啦有啦，哦，係啊好勁啊！
農場有1200棵樹，所以係有好多黑松露㗎，仲可以睇到草泥馬。我哋仲可以自己親身體驗自己去掘。Hugo， 快啲話俾我知喺邊度咯！ 到你自己刮嘅時候咧，大家真係要小心啲。大概畫嘅時候咧，就好似 C 字形咁樣喺佢側邊度畫，盡量刮到佢褪出嚟為止。每粒黑松露咧都係天然生長喺地下，大細、形狀、深度完全都係唔一樣。
It's actually probably our best one so far.
Wow.
This way around.
好感動啊！佢話我畫到今日可能係最好之一啊！
Smells like truffle. So that's how I know there's a truffle there. So I keep looking for the soil. Smells good.
佢話好搞笑咧，有啲人咧喺度行行下咧，執到地下粒黑色嘢咧，就以為係黑松露啦，其實係袋鼠屎嚟噶。之後咧，大家都一齊刮，你又刮，我又刮，佢又刮。好大嚿啊！呢個好香啊，好值錢㗎，係咪啊？A 減啊呢個，因為整爛咗。
佢要成嚿完整先得㗎。
OK， 呢一嚿我哋已經攞咗落袋啦。了解完松露嘅生長啦，同埋點樣掘佢出嚟啦，我哋就準備開始食大餐啦。行返去餐廳嗰邊啦。
It's the last one Hugo found.
哇！佢就咁擺晒喺度咧，真係好似啲屎屎啊！
呢個啊，我哋都掘到個大嚿啊！有 beetroot 味㗎。咁咧，我哋而家就翻到嚟餐廳呢一個位啦，我哋就準備食嘢，有6道菜㗎嘛。呢個係 truffle 嘅牛油啊，酥嘢。
其實佢餐廳嘅位置咧都係幾靚嘅，都 OK 嘅，簡約。嗰個餐台咧，呢一個木條咧好靚咯。之後我哋而家試下嗰個 truffle 嘅牛油，就係呢一個。好，我決定咗要就咁入嚟食下先。我中意嚿黑松露牛油上面咧係有啲鹽嘅，麵包個底咧仲看咗啲 honey。餐廳職員咧都有介紹每一種酒啦，邊個襯邊一種嘢食。780蚊係白酒咯，紅酒就大概100蚊左右。都係 local 嘢。最後咧，我哋都 order 咗一支70蚊嘅白酒。通常咧，你 order 一支酒咧，佢會開頭咧就倒少少俾你，等你確定嗰支酒。Thank you.
That's a pleasure. Probably is that perfect mix between free and a
喺我哋面前咧就有2盒黑松露，一盒咧就係啱啱掘起，另外一盒咧就係已經雪咗2日，雪咗2日係超級香啊！第一個嚟咧就係黑松露雪卡，裏邊咧係會有鴨肝，後面嗰個咧就係黑松露芝士波波。成個活動咧就係220蚊，已經係包咗嘢食，淨係酒水嘅咧就係另外另計。大家可以睇下呢個 menu 咧係一共有10樣嘢啦，但係佢本身係話6樣嘅啫喎。上面就係一陣都係黑松露。
好好食啊！中間係嘛？好正，好好食，係咪啊？哇！
佢裏邊嗰個鴨肝
好好味，
有個鴨肝好濃啦，然後但係 OK 嘅喎，真係好正喎呢個，有水準喎。呢個咧佢個鴨肝係好滑啦，外面又好脆喎，勁好味喎，個口感勁正。佢每一道餸菜咧都係會有黑松露喺上面啦，或者係入邊。呢個係有羊奶芝士喺裏邊啦，好好食啊！外面咧仲會有少少蜜糖味。呢個咧就係叉叉。我真係除咗好味咧，我唔知點樣形容佢哋啊！真係好正。不過咧，你哋就自己去感受下啦。除咗呢3道嘅前菜咧，後面仲有幾道餸嘅。呢度嘅大廚咧都係喺多間嘅 fine dining 度做過，所以嘢食啊、質素啊同埋擺盤咧都係好靚、好精緻嘅。呢個咧係凍嘅雞肉卷，仲會有現刨嘅黑松露。
我唔捨得切下佢啊！
佢每隻雞都有名啊！我聽到。
仲有呢個黑松露意粉，咁佢一條過嘅啫，配咗個幾濃嘅湯，係濃得嚟有少少鹹嘅。有松露片，有松露醬，係一個濃嘅蘑菇湯。而呢個呢，就係豬肉卷。阿妹嗰多肥膏啦，我同你嗰個都係瘦啲噶。
我呢粒都冇。
佢個 idea 就係話係掘 truffle 咯，
係即係我哋頭先掘嗰個過程，淨係個位啦。
哇，好勁喎！陣 truffle 味都。咁咧，而家咧，我哋就食咗呢一個嘅套餐啦。咁咧，佢就係包埋個 hunting 咧，就係220蚊嘅。咁大家覺得值唔值咧？35蚊啊！
呢啲係地上黃金啊！我覺得今次體驗咧都係非常值得去參加嘅，同埋咧係比我想象中好玩啦，同埋嘢食咧都比我想象中好食好多。咁今日條影片係咁多啦，咁如果中意呢條影片，記得 comment、like、share、subscribe，我哋下週見，拜。